अब ये देखिए कि अगर हम बात करते हैं, लेक्चर है कि हाउ टू प्रमोट दी स्पोर्ट्स इन पाकिस्तान. अब यू हैव टू मेक दी थिंग्स इन अ वे कि जो सब बंदे बात कर रहे हैं, कोई कह रहा है कमेटी बना लो, कोई कहता है जी स्पोर्ट्स को प्रमोट करें, कोई कहता है जी अच्छा टैलेंट तलाश करें. आई एम आस्किंग कि हाउ टू प्रमोट स्पोर्ट्स. अब जो स्पोर्ट्स को प्रमोशन होती है वो हमें सबसे पहले तो मैं एक पुअर नेशन है, बात जो अंदर की होती है ना, जो अंदर की बात होती है, दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन ISSB. बात समझ में आ रही नहीं आ रही? आ रही नहीं आ रही? अब क्या है कि आपके जो अंदर की बात है, अंदर की बात को है. अगर मुझे आ जाए स्पोर्ट्स, मैं कभी भी ये नहीं कहूँगा कमेटी करे, गवर्नमेंट शुड डू दिस थिंग, फलां ये करे. अब हाउ टू प्रमोट अ स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर इन पाकिस्तान, अगर मुझे मिल जाए तो मैं क्या करूँगा? अस्सलाम वालेकुम gentlemen, my topic is how to promote sports in Pakistan. So promotion of sports is very much necessary with respect to the physical exercise and physical and mental health of the youths particularly, because the sports is the one in which 99% sports the youths and the young generations are involved. But how to promote it, it is a very difficult and challenging task. We have to understand first, ये मेरा पंच लाइन है जो मैंने कहा शुरू में, आपकी गेम आप शुरू से ही अपने आप को अच्छा करवा सकते हैं अगर आप करते हैं, अदरवाइज कोई फायदा नहीं होता. तो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी आर नॉट द स्पोर्ट्स लविंग नेशन. वी आर नॉट द स्पोर्ट्स इज नॉट द कल्चर इन पाकिस्तान. वी डू नॉट वांट टू प्ले स्पोर्ट्स. We have to accept it because we are the people where the parents are promoting the child for the education, for good education, and they are thinking all over the Pakistan, mostly people are thinking that the education is the one which is the prerequisite for a child, for the young generation. And for the good education, your mind must be good, your mind must be alert, your mind must be healthy in a terms that you should be able to get the education. So we have to understand that first we are not having the culture of sports. So how to promote the sports? We have to first adopt the culture of the sports. Why I am saying this thing? We are the one who are, if early in the morning we are getting a car and getting the vehicle going outside. We are not similar like Australia or China or the western side. They are using cycle as a sports. They want a physical exercise. So first we have to adopt the culture. We have to understand that sports is as much required as a normal education is. Then we will be able to promote it. Once we and why I am saying this reason, we are seeing that the playgrounds are converted now. It is being converted into the housing societies. Previously, the schools were, whenever the schools were built, the playground was the part of the school. But now anybody can open the school, and people we as a parents or our parents are very happy to send the child to the school. Not to the, they are not looking at the whether they are having, this school is having the playground available or not, because the ultimate focus is that the child should get education, he should pass first class, second class, matric or inter. So we have to adopt the culture of the sports. Once we adopt the culture, once we love the sports, then we will be able to promote the sports in our nation. And for that promotion, it is not, gentlemen, the duty of any government or any society or any municipal committee or any ministry. It is you have to adopt the culture. It is only you, everybody is responsible for his health. So that's why everybody has to adopt the culture. Once the government will see that the people are sports loving people, so they'll make the things available for the sports. Now government is knowing that parents want the child should get a good education and should get a good marks. That's why these schools are being promoted. So the government is knowing, the people are knowing that we are all the time we are having the mobile available and we love to have a good mobile available. That's why they are promoting the industry of IT. but they are not focusing on sports because we are not having the sports culture, because we are not having the sports love for our health and for our education also. So once we'll adopt the culture, once we'll become the sports loving nation, then we'll be able to, and sport, not the sports watching nation. We are very much good the audience, and we are very much we want to watch the India-Pakistan match, but we don't want to play a match. We want to see the WWF, we want to see the football matches, but we do not want to play a match. We want to sit as an audience, but we don't want to become a player. So this is the reason that we are not the sports loving nation, we are not sports playing nation. So we have to first adopt the nation culture, then we have to then ultimately the sports will be promoted. So इस बात को ऐसे लेके जब जाएंगे आप लेक्चर में, जब आप इसको लेकर ऐसे जाएंगे, तो अल्टीमेटली आपकी जो चीज़ होगी वो एक लेक्चर का एक क्रक्स बनेगा, एक आपकी एक क्या कहते हैं, एक सिलेक्टर के सामने आपकी होगा कि यार ये लड़का डिफरेंस क्रिएट कर रहा है, सब लड़कों में डिफरेंट है ना, गवर्नमेंट को ये करना है, हमने प्लेयर करने हैं, हमने कमेटी बना दें, हमें अच्छे प्लेयर को याद आना चाहिए, वो यार हमारे पास इतनी रिसोर्सेज नहीं है। तो टॉपिक के जो मेन क्रक्स होता है ना, उसको लेके चलना होता है, और उसको जब आप लेके चलते हैं, इसमें है ही नहीं कि आपका लेक्चर जो है वो आपको सिलेक्ट ना करवाए। तो बात समझ में आ रही है, नहीं आ रही?
यस सर।